Good day, everyone. This is the continuation or the other another topic for our course. General System Theory by Carl Ludwig von Bartalanffy. Ang idea ng General System Theory, it is a system kung saan it composed of different parts kung saan kung isa doon sa parte ay nagkaaberya, lahat ay maaapektuhan. At the same time, kung may magandang changes sa isang part, pwedeng maapektuhan din ang lahat. Yun ang prinsipyo ng General System Theory. General System Theory, meron tayong tinatawag na subsystem, system, and suprasystem. Ang subsystem is the smallest unit within the system. For example, parent-child relationship, sibling bond. Ang system naman ay ang second part or the main focus or unit of analysis. For example, sa family as a whole. Ang suprasystem naman ang pinaka-malaki, larger system that influences or interacts with the main system. Ang main system natin ay ang system, the family, the main focus. Example ng suprasystem is the community, school, social institutions, and government. So, para mas malinaw ito, let us compare it to the social work system. Yung micro, meso, and macro. Ang micro o ang pinakamaliit ay subsystem. The second one, the mesosystem, ay itong system. The largest of the three is macrosystem, itong suprasystem. Next, meron tayong tinatawag na process of system. Merong inputs, yun ay ipapasok. Throughput, the process. Outputs, the outcome. And i-evaluate yung outcome through the feedback. For example, in social work. Sa social work, merong for example, ay yung estudyante. Pag ang estudyante ay nag-aaral, he receive or she receive education, family support, books, and school supplies para makapag-aral. That is inputs. Ang throughput ay yung process. For example, estudyante ay pumapasok sa klase, nag-aaral, ginagawa niya ang assignment niya. Yun ang throughput. Now, ang output is, ang estudyante ay naka-gain ng knowledge, skills, at grades. Now, feedback. Yung mga test scores and yung comment ng teachers kung ano ang strengths and weaknesses ng estudyante, yun ay tinatawag na feedback. So that makes this general system theory. Its cycle.